Ladies aspiring to be Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto's better half are in for a long wait. The Politico revealed to actress Alex Gonzaga that romance has no place in his busy schedule. The millennial mayor was a guest at Gonzaga's vlog. Sotto revealed he has always wanted to be a politico growing up. He again emphasized how people should never feel beholden to politicos like him.
Pero wala tayong utang na loob.
The episode A Day with Mayor Vico has garnered more than 4.5 million views.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.